Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mailchimp AI for subject line generation and A/B tests. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Mailchimp AI for subject line generation and A/B tests, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns section in the left-hand menu. Select the campaign you wish to edit or create a new one. In the Campaign Builder, go to the Subject Line field. Click on the AI icon next to the subject line. A pop-up window will appear with AI-generated suggestions. Review the suggested subject lines and choose one that resonates with your campaign. If you want to fine-tune the results, you can adjust the keywords or phrases. Once you have selected your desired subject line, click Insert. Now, to set up A/B testing, scroll down to the Campaign Type section. Select A/B testing from the options available. You will see fields for creating variations of your subject line. Enter your alternate subject lines in the designated fields. Decide on the testing criteria, such as open rates or clicks. Set your audience segment for the A/B test. Determine the duration of the test before selecting a winner. Once you've configured all variables, click Save. Continue designing your campaign as necessary. Preview your campaign to ensure everything looks great. Finally, schedule or send your campaign as planned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.